Why I decided to do this kind of video or enter into this niche, I know most of you will be wondering because there has been a lot that I've been posting on media, and this is my personal channel. This is a channel I have dedicated to business, finance, and anything relating to mindset. It's high time the youth and people of business and money start to get a different mindset. People get to understand finance and business. So one of the main reasons I decided to do this kind of video is to document my journey, and as I'm documenting my journey, I'll be able to educate and inspire people out there. So it's not an easy task though, but I deem it necessary to use all my platforms so that I can be educating people, inspiring people, getting people to another life. You see, the description of my channel is helping you to live the life that you dream of. There are so many uncertainties of life, but when you decide to live a certain kind of life in a very certain way, there needs to be a guidance that will get you into that aspect. So I'm using this platform on this channel to help do that. I want to educate everybody on the appropriate measures in life to take. I'll be going around doing videos with people to explain some of their business terminologies that they are doing. I know it will all be a lot to entail, but I want to promise you this. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and there's going to be more value that you are going to get from. Again, I would like to talk about hope to the hopeless. I want to use my life as an example to most people out there that hasn't had it on a silver platter as I also had. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth, and I didn't get everything easy. So over the years, over about 33 decades of my life, I've been able to pass through a lot, and I'll be documenting it on this channel so that you can get time as you listen to this life story of mine, as you listen to the inspirational aspect of mine. You'll be able to learn so many things. I know it will be hard to chew in, I know it will be hard to take, but if you subscribe to this channel, I promise you there is more going to come out of this. So please stay tuned as I journey you through my journey on finance, business, and the mindset. It's high time our businesses start elevating. It's high time our finance start getting to another level. It's high time our mindset get awakened, moving on into another. So please stay with me as we move on to this journey. So I see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.